How to activate hidden photos lock on iPhone. Now, to activate a hidden photos lock, if I go to my photos application and maybe I go to collections and I scroll down, you can see if I go to utilities, you can say hidden photos. So if I go to hidden, I can use my Face ID to unlock this hidden folder. So in order to activate this, you can simply try to hide a certain photo by itself. So you can go ahead and select a certain photo you want to hide or a video. Then you can just go ahead and then tap on the three dots next to that video, then tap on the hide button. So basically when you tap on hide video, it does not use a separate password. Instead, it will use your default Face ID and your default PIN to hide it. Now, if I go to my collections tab and I go to a hidden tab, I can simply view the album and I should be able to find the hidden photo or the video. Then I can tap the three dots option and I can even choose to unhide it. So basically, it will use the same Face ID and the same code that is available when you use to unlock your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.